ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखिया बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद। We are in Gargi Brahmana, Gargi Vachak Navi, page number 828. The question was asked, are the Gandharva Lokas also included in Bhuta Panchaka? So the answer is yes. Everything is included in Bhuta Panchaka, the Panchamahabhuta. Gandharva Loka and all the other Lokas are also part of that only. Tika, last line. Atha Paramatma Bhutanantarhitatvat Pruthageva Gandharva Lokadini Vastvantaraణि Bhavishyanti Netyaha. Somebody says Paramatma Bhuta Anantarhitatvat. Paramatma Bhuta, they are not part of that. Paramatma Bhuta means this Panchamahabhuta. Therefore, Pruthak Eva Gandharva Lokadini Vastvantaraణि. They are different things, different entities, not product of Panchamahabhuta. So it is made very clear here. They are also, Gandharva Loka is also Panchamahabhuta Karya. So if somebody is planning to go to Gandharva Loka, you can skip that because it is same thing, Panchamahabhuta Karya. Whatever problems are here, same problems will be there. Bhashya. Nacha Paramatmanor Avak Paramatmano Arvak Tad Vyatirekena Vastvantaram Asti. Paramatmano Arvak, other than Paramatma, something inferior is not there. Different from Paramatma, lower than Paramatma, there is nothing. Means only Paramatma is there. Vastvantaram nacha asti. Why? Satyasya satyam iti shrutehe. Arvak, how they have given translation. Prior, earlier. Arvak can means lower also. Arvak here is taken as earlier, before. But actually that sentence is not, if you take it this way, prior to Paramatma, other than 5 Mahabhuta, there was nothing else. That means 5 Mahabhutas were there before Paramatma. Because the Shruti is Satyasya Satyam. If you want to say Satyasya Satyam, Ramasya Rajyam, Ramasya Putraha. So before Putra, Rama has to exist. Ramasya Rajyam, so when you are indicating Rajyam, Rama has to be there for Rajya to become known. So in this way, when you say Satyasya Satyam, so Mahabhuta are Satyam, that its Satyam is Paramatma. So therefore, to indicate Paramatma, Satya is used. Satyasya Satyam. That's why they have said Arvak. तद व्यतिरेकेण वस्त्वन्तरं नास्ति सत्यस्य सत्यम इति श्रुतेः. सत्यम च भूतपंचकम सत्यस्य सत्यम च परम ब्रह्म. सत्यम इज भूतपंचकम, सत्यस्य सत्यम इज पर आत्मा, पर ब्रह्म. टीका. गंधर्वलोकादीनि अपि भूतानाम एव अवस्था विशेषाः. What are the Gandharva Loka? They are Panchabhuta only in different avastha. Different avastha means they are organized differently. Gandharva Loka Adi means all the above lokas. Aditya, Chandra, Nakshatra, Devaloka, Indraloka, Prajapati Loka, Brahma Loka. All are Pancha Mahabhuta Karya Avastha Vishesha. Avastha Vishesha means they may have more of Jala Tattva, Agni Tattva, Vayu Tattva, Akasha Tattva. Prithvi Loka has more of Prithvi Tattva. That's why it is more of Parthiva. भूतानाम एव अवस्था विशेषास्. ततः सत्यम भूतपंचकम तस्य सत्यम परम ब्रह्म. So therefore भूतपंचकम is सत्यम, तस्य सत्यम is परम ब्रह्म. न अन्यत् अंतराले प्रतिपत्तव्यम. In between something else you should not infer or think of. Satyam Bhutapanchakam, Tasya Satyam Brahma. Some other kalpana we should not do in between, antarale. Iti anya pratishedharthau cha shabdau. Cha shabdau satyam cha bhutapanchakam. Satyasya satyam cha para atma. So two chakaras are there. It is to show there is nothing in between. Satya means Bhuta Panchakam only and Satyasya Satyam means Atma only. That's all. Tatparyam Uttva Prashnamu Utthapya Tad Aksharani Vyakaroti. Tatparya is said. Now a question is given. What is that? Kasminnu khalu apa otascha protascha iti. Next question. Who is asking the question?
Marki.
Marki. Kasminnu khalu apa otascha protascha iti. Kasminnu khalu. Now let's see the भाष्य. तासाम अपि कार्यत्वात् स्थूलत्वात् परिच्छिन्नत्वात् च क्वचिद् हि ओतप्रोत भावेन भवितव्यम्. तासाम तासाम
Apam.
अपam given in 1 number tippani. They also have to be existing in something otaprota bhavena. Why they have to be existing in something otaprota bhavena? Because karyatvat, sthulatvat, parichinnatvat. Because they are karya, they are sthula, they are parichinna. को तासाम ओतप्रोत भाव इति एवं उत्तरोत्तर प्रश्न प्रसंगो योजितव्यः. So क्व तासाम ओतप्रोत भाव, where is this otaprota bhava? So otaprota bhava, this will be there in all, whatever that we will go on telling. Uttarottar prashna prasangah yojayitavyah. Means why the Prithvi's otaprota bhava is in Jala. Jala otaprota bhava is where? So next one, Vayu. Vayu's otaprota bhava is where? In Antariksha, in this way. So eva in टीका एवं तस्मिन् खलु वायुः इति आदौ उक्त न्यायम अतिदिशति एवं. In this way you have to उत्तरोत्तर प्रश्न प्रसंगो योजितव्य. So answer is given Vayav Gargi. So now immediately somebody has studied Tattva Bodha. After Prithvi comes Apaha. After Apa should be Agni, Teja. Oh, there is, how did you skip that? So वायाविति उक्ता प्रत्युक्ति ही अपाम अग्नि कार्यत्वात् अग्नाविति वक्तव्यत्वात् इति शंकते. You said वायौ इति उक्ता प्रत्युक्ति. Answer, प्रत्युक्ति means answer. Answer is in वायु. अपाम अग्नि कार्यत्वात्
अयुक्ता स्वामी.
अच्छा, वायौ इति अयुक्ता. Vayav is ayukta. Ayukta pratyukti. This pratyukti answer is incorrect. Ayukta pratyukti. Why? Apam agnikaryatvat. Because agnikarya is apam. Apam has to be agnikaryam, so it has to be otaprota in agni. Agnaviti vaktavyatvat. You should give the answer as agno. Nanu agnaviti vaktavyam. टीका अग्नेः उदक व्यापकत्वे अपि काष्ठ विद्युदादि पारतंत्र्यात् स्वतंत्रेण केनचिदपां व्याप्तिर्वक्तव्या इति अग्निं हित्वा तत्कारणे वायाविति उक्तम्. वायोश्च स्वकारणतन्त्रत्वे अपि न उदकतन्त्रता इति तद व्यापकत्व सिद्धि इति उत्तरम आह नैष दोष. Agni cannot exist by itself. Agni has to exist in some adhikarana, either in a piece of wood or in some cloth, paper, somewhere, or in water. Agni cannot exist outside of it. So that's why he says, Agnehe udaka vyapakatve api. It pervades the water, certainly, but kashtha vidyudadi paratantriyat. But it is either kashtha paratantriya, it is dependent upon piece of wood, etc. Or vidyut. Vidyut means in the lightning, which is the water. So in water also, this fire exists, or the fire which appears in the water, that also is possible, but it needs some adhikarana, and therefore it is dependently existing. Paratantriyat swatantrena kenachid apam vyaptihi vaktavya. So we have to give vyapti of something which is independent, that which pervades water and is independent. Vyaptihi vaktavya. And therefore Agni is skipped. Iti agnim hitva tat karane vayav iti uktam. So by skipping Agni from water directly, Vayu is given. Vayu iti uktam. So now somebody says, you said Agni you skipped because it is dependent. Vayu is also dependent. So then why you should skip Vayu also? He says Vayoscha Swakarana Tantratve api. Vayu is dependent on its Karana, but Vayu is not dependent on anything else for its existence. Like Agni, to express, it has to exist, depend upon Prithvi or Jalam. But Vayu doesn't have, Vayu will depend only on Antariksha, which is its Karanam. So Swakarana Tantratve api, na Udaka Tantrata, but it is not dependent upon water or Prithvi. Iti tad Vyapakatva Siddhihi. Therefore, Vayu is Vyapaka of Jala. Iti aha. नैष दोष अग्नेः पार्थिवं वा आप्यं वा धातुम् अनाश्रित्य इतरभूतवत् स्वातंत्र्येण आत्मलाभो नास्ति इति तस्मिन् ओतप्रोतभावो नोपदिश्यते. How to think? See, this Bhagavan Bhashyakar is telling. When Shruti says something, I should think and justify what Shruti is saying. To become opponent of Shruti is probably easy. To prove everything what Shruti is saying is justified. See, like if Shruti skipped Agni from Jala, it said Vayu. So somebody should not think, see, they don't know what is this from Agni, from Jala directly they are in Vayu. We can take this way. What is water? Hydrogen and oxygen. What are they? Vayu. Straight. Which is also another way of justifying Shruti. Not, this is called Shruti Mata Tarka. So, Agnehe Parthivam va Apyam va. Either it needs Prithvi for support or Jala. Dhatum Anashritya Itara Bhutavat. Like without existing in some Dhatu means some Prithvi or Jala. Like how other bhutas can exist, Agnehe Swatantriyena Atmalabho Nasti. Independently, it cannot exist. It cannot exist means independently it cannot express. And therefore, Tasmin Otaprota Bhava na upadishyate. So therefore, Otaprota Bhava in Agni is not given. Okay. Then, Kasminnu Khalu Vayorotascha Protascha iti Antariksha Lokeshu Gargi iti. So where Vayu is Otaprota in Antariksha Loka. Tani eva bhutani samhatani Antariksha Lokaha. Tani eva bhutani. Tani bhutani means these Panchabhuta alone have become Antariksha Loka. Tani api Gandharva Lokeshu. Gandharva Loka, Aditya Lokeshu, Aditya Loka, Chandra Lokeshu. Chandraloka Nakshatra Lokeshu, Nakshatra Loka Deva Lokeshu, Deva Loka Indra Lokeshu, Indra Loka Virat Sharir Arambakeshu Bhuteshu, Prajapati Lokeshu, Prajapati Loka Brahma Lokeshu. So, Virat Sharir Arambaka Bhuteshu Prajapati Lokeshu. Prajapati Loka is Virat Sharira Arambaka. So Virat is included in this mantra here. In this Brahmana goes up to Virat. Next Brahmana will talk of Sutra and Ishvara, Hiranyagarbha and Ishvara. Then the next one will talk of Brahma in this way. Akshara. Prajapati Loka are in Brahma Loka. Tika. अंतरिक्ष लोक शब्दार्थमाह तानि एव. प्रजापति लोक शब्दार्थम कथयति विराट. प्रजापति लोक मीन्स विराट. अंतरिक्ष लोकादीनां प्रत्येकम एकत्वात्. कुतो बहुवचनम? Somebody is saying antariksha loka all are one, so prajapati lokaha, indra lokaha. Why bahuvachanam? Brahma lokaha. In bhashya brahma, so kuto bahuvachanam iti ashankyaha. Brahma loka namand arambakani bhutani. Brahma loka nama and arambakani bhutani. And means this Hiranyagarbha. And arambakani bhutani. Means Brahmand Arambhaka Mahabhuta, they are said as Brahmaloka. Vartik is given in 1 number Tipmani. Andarambhaka Bhutanam Brahmaloka Videshyate. Sureshwaracharya ji has. Anand Giri ji's Tika on Brahadaranyaka Upanishad and Anand Giri ji's Tika on Brahadaranyaka Vartik is very similar, with few words changes here there, because entire bhashya is now available as Vartik. Of course, Vartik has lot of other things because it is Ukta, Anukta, Duruktanam Chinta. So many other things are there. But Anand Giriji's Tika, if you see in many places, Brahadaranyaka Upanishad Vartik and Brahadaranyaka Upanishad Tika and Brahat Vartik Tika, there will be lot of similarity. So on this Vartika number 18, Andarambhaka Bhutanam Brahmaloka Videshyate, there is here he has not given anything. So this Bhashya line is there, Brahmaloka Nama Andarambhakani Bhutani. So Andarambhaka Bhutani Brahmaloka Abhideshyate, that is what it means. So why there is Ekvachanam not used and Bahuvachanam in all, where there is only one loka? Sarvatra hi Sukshma Taratamya Kramena Prani Upabhoga Ashraya Karana Ashrayakara Parinatani Bhutani Samhatani Tani eva Pancha iti Bahuvachana Bhanji. Sarvatra hi Sukshma Taratamya Kramena. In all the lokas, Sukshma Taratamya Krama is there. Prani Upabhoga Ashraya Akara Parinatani Bhutani Samhatani. Is Panchabhuta alone, their Sanghata is modified in different ways based on the Taratamya gradation of the Panchamahabhuta, the different pranis upabhoga based on their karma phala. So why there is Bahuvachanam? You can think of it this way. that within each loka also there are different varieties based on the karma upabhoga. सर्वत्र ही सूक्ष्म तारतम्य क्रमेण प्राणी उपभोग आश्रय आकार परिणतानि. Based on the ashraya prani upabhoga karma phala bhoga ashraya karan ashraya akara parinatani bhutani. So if somebody is supposed to get inferior bhoga, within that antariksha loka, within indra loka, there will be a different kind of atmosphere there. Somewhere else it will be different, it will be superior. So loka is one, but within that, as if there are different groups, different communities. And in them there is sukshma taratamya. This is one way within the loka. Or you say all these worlds, there also you can put that all of them are nothing but panchabhuta only. But one is inferior, another is superior. But you have to remember, everybody in one loka will not have same kind of karma phala. It is never going to happen. Oh, our drishtanta is like in Swarga loka, Airavat also will be there. Somebody taking care of Airavat will be there. And Indra also will be there. Indra is there, somebody will be there at the gate to open the gate for Indra. I mean, we can do some kalpana that unless they are all automated doors everywhere, and some sevakas will be there for Indra. Sevaka will have lesser bhoga. Indra will have more. Even Agni, Vayu, other devatas will have inferior bhoga compared to Indra, because Indra is Raja. So Taratamya is there within that itself. What to talk of other sevakas and other servants, etc. So in other words, it will be same. Like in one country, how you see Taratamya, or different places you see Taratamya, it will be like that everywhere. That's why Bahuvachana Bhanji. Bahuvachanam bhajante iti Bahuvachana bhak. Or Bahuvachana Bhanji loka. Bahuvachana Bhanji Bhutani. What is third number tippani? Kasminnu khalu brahmaloka otasya protasya. Now next question Gargi asked. Where are these brahmalokas? Tika. Purvavad anumanena sutram prachantim gargim pratishedati. So now this is all anumana going on, that if something is parichinna, something is sthula, something is karya, it should have karyam. So Virat is also sthula, parichinna, karya. So it should have karanam. So its karanam will be sutra, hiranyagarbha. So now that's why with this kind of anumana, purvavat anumanena, Gargi, who is asking about sutra, Hiranyagarbha. Sutram prachantin gargim pratishedhati. Yajnavalkya. Sahuvacho Yajnavalkya. Yajnavalkyo, he gargi, ma ati prakshihi. Swam prashnam nyaya prakaram atitya agamena prashtavyam devatam anumanena ma prakshirityartha. Your question, how you should ask? Nyaya prakaram atitya. Nyaya means yukti. Giving up the nyaya, you should ask this question based on the agama. You are not asking based on that. You are asking based on yukti. So then please don't do that. This devata here means Hiranyagarbha. उक्तमेव स्पष्टयन् वाक्यार्थम आह आगमेन. अतिप्राक्षी ही. अतिप्राक्षी ही. What is the lakara?
Lung.
Lung lakara. What is the sutra for lung lakara?
Mangi lung.
Mangi lung. It just says that mang yoge lung syat. Means even if it is vartamana kala, you have to use lung lakara only. Even if it is bhavishya kala, you have to use lung lakara.
Only lung.
Only lung. Lung is the sutra. So the rupa lung lakar madhyam purush ekvachan will be aprakshihi. Then akara lopa will happen. Means agama will not come there. So it is prakshi, ati prakshi. Ma prakshi rityartha. Tika. Pratishedha atikrame doshamaha. If you still insist on asking, then what is the dosha? Pruchhantyascha ma te tava murdha shiro vyapaptat vispashtam patet. Pruchhantyascha. If you still ask, then ma te tava murdha. Murdha means shiraha. Vyapaptat. May your head does not fall off. Means be careful, otherwise your head will fall off, like that. If you ask, then be careful that your head doesn't fall off. Means it will fall. Vispashtam patet. Your head will fall. Devatayaha swaprashna agama vishayah tam prashna vishayam atikranto gargyaha prashna anumanikatvat. Tika says murdhapat prasangam prakatayan pratishedam upasamharati. He concludes this pratisheda. Devatayaha swaprashna agama vishayah. This Hiranyagarbha devata vishayaka prashna is agama vishaya. Tam prashna vishayam atikrantah. Transgressing that, gargyaha prashna anumanikatvat. It is just anumana only. Sa yasya devatayaha prashna sa ati prashnya. That devata is called ati prashnya. Na ati prashnya anati prashnya. This devata is anati prashnya, Hiranyagarbha. Swaprashna vishayaiva kevala agama gamya ityartha. This Hiranyagarbha is not known through Anumanam. Because, see, from Virat, through Anumanam, you can go directly to anything which is subtler than Virat. And you can say that is the Karana. But here gradation is given. So that's why from Virat to Hiranyagarbha, Hiranyagarbha to Ishvara, Saguna Brahma, then Nirguna Brahma. So this is known only through Agama. Tam anati prashnyam vai devatam ati pruchhasi. So that devata who is ati prashnya, you are asking about. Transgressing, crossing your limits. Ato gargi ma ati prakshi. Therefore, please don't ask. The dhatu in prakshi is what? अक्षु व्याप्तौ.
Plakshi Swamiji is Bridge.
लुंग लकार.
Yes, Bridge Lung Laga.
Martum chen na ichhasi. If you don't desire to die, then don't ask. Tato, see, Gargi did not start fighting with Yajnavalkya there, like some people do. He said, if you don't want to die, don't ask. And she was wise. She immediately backed off. Tatoha Gargi Vachak Navi Upararama. You think she didn't start like how other people do. And what happens if you argue against Yajnavalkya? That you will see in the 9th Brahmana, when Shakalya will come. Tika. Purvasmin Brahmane Sutrad Arvaktanam Vyapakam Uktam. In the previous Brahmana, Sutrad Arvaktanam means prior to Sutra, means actually inferior to Sutra. Prior to Sutra means what comes below Sutra. Arvaktanam is all Hiranyagarbha and below everything. Vyapakam Uktam. Idanim Sutram Tad Antargatam Antaryaminam Cha Nirvaktum. Now, Sutra Tad Antargatam Antaryaminam Cha. So, how many will be there? 2. Sutra and Antaryami. Sutra means Hiranyagarbha. Antaryami means Ishvara, Saguna Brahma. Sutram tad antargatam antaryaminam cha nirvaktum uttar brahmanam. So this is the Brahmana, Saptama Brahmana. This is called Antaryami Brahmana. Iti sangatim aha. Idanim brahmalokanam antartamam sutram vaktavyam. Iti tadartha arambha. So now brahmalokanam antartamam, what is inner to sukshma aparichinna karana of brahmaloka, which is sutram hiranyagarbham vaktavyam. Iti tadartha arambha. Tacha agamena eva prashtavyam iti itihasena agamopanyasa kriyate. So that has to be shown through agama. So some itihasa, some stories there. In Tika, Brahmana tatparyam uktva akhyayika tatparyam aha. Agamena eva. Now you see, there is a mantra. अथ हैनम उद्दालक आरुणिः पप्रच्छ याज्ञवल्क्येति होवाच मद्रेषु अवसाम पतञ्चलस्य काप्यस्य गृहेषु यज्ञमधीयानास्तस्या आसीद् भार्या गन्धर्वगृहीता तमपृच्छाम कोऽसीति सोऽब्रवीत् कबन्द आथर्वण इति सोऽब्रवीत् पतञ्चलं काप्यं याज्ञिकांश्च वेत्थ नुत्वं काप्य तत्सूत्रं येनायञ्च लोकः परश्च लोकः सर्वाणि च भूतानि संदृब्धानि भवन्ति इति सोऽब्रवीत् पतञ्चलः काप्यो नाहं तद् भगवन् वेद इति सोऽब्रवीत् पतञ्चलं काप्यं याज्ञिकांश्च वेत्थ नुत्वं काप्य तमन्तर्यामिणं य इमंच लोकं परंच लोकं सर्वाणि च भूतानि यो अंतरो यमयति इति सोऽब्रवीत् पतञ्चलः काप्यो नाहं तं भगवन् वेद इति सोऽब्रवीत् पतञ्चलं काप्यं याज्ञिकांश्च यो वै तत् काप्य सूत्रं विद्यात् तञ्च अन्तर्यामिणम् इति स ब्रह्मवित् स लोकवित् स देववित् स वेदवित् स भूतवित् स आत्मवित् स सर्वविदिति तेभ्यो ब्रवीत् तदहं वेद तच्चेत्त्वं याज्ञवल्क्य सूत्रम् अविद्वांस् तञ्चान्तर्यामिणं ब्रह्म गवीरुदजसे मूर्धाते विपतिष्यतीति वेदवा अहम गौतम तत्सूत्रम तंचांतर्यामिणमिति यो वा इदं कश्चित् ब्रूयात् वेद वेद इति यथा वेत्थ तथा ब्रूहीति. Mantra Vyakyanam we will do in the next session, but there is a Akhyayika. What is the Akhyayika? That this Uddalaka Arunihi, he is asking the next question to Yajnavalkya, bringing his attention Yajnavalkya iti. And then he says that we were in Madradesha, where Patanjala Kapya was there. In his Griha, Yajna was going on. So we were there for some Adhyanadi. There, and that Kapya means it is Kapi Gotrotpanna, Patanjala. There is his wife was Gandharva Grihita. Earlier something similar came, and this was in Madradesha. Madradesha means Madras. Earlier something similar came.
Bengal.
His daughter
Bengal.
was possessed by
No. Madra only. Madreshu.
Where the girl was occupied by
Duhita.
Duhita, yes.
Daughter. By Gandharva only. In Madradesha, that Patanjala Kapya, same, his daughter was possessed by Gandharva. Now Bharya, his wife, is possessed by Gandharva Grihita. So they asked the question to Gandharva, do you know Hiranyagarbha and Antaryami, etc. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.